Sweeper, secure waterfall, energy efficient protocol enabled routing in FANET. Abstract. Abstract includes keywords, existing method drawbacks, proposed method, step-by-step implementation block diagram, advantages and applications, and software and hardware requirements. Document. In document we can provide abstract, introduction, literature review, existing method, drawbacks, proposed method, block diagram, advantages and applications, software and hardware requirements, results, conclusion, references. Additionally, provide detailed information on MATLAB software, covering its history, capabilities in image processing, and specific steps involved in digital image processing relevant to your PPT. Sweeper, secure waterfall, energy efficient protocol enabled routing in FANET. Include the following steps: abstract detailing keywords, existing method, drawbacks, proposed method, implementation block diagram, advantages, applications, results, conclusion, software and hardware requirements, literature review, existing method, proposed method, block, advantages and applications, software and hardware requirements. Outcomes. Open the code files in the file manager and copy the path. Next, open MATLAB 2020 software, paste the copied path, click on the main.m file, and run the code. Select an image to process. The first figure shows the random deployment of nodes in the network. The second figure shows the remaining energy levels of nodes in the network. The third figure presents the PDR against number of nodes. The fourth figure presents the delay against number of nodes. The fifth figure presents the throughput against number of nodes. The sixth figure presents the packets drop against number of nodes. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030333433.